For over 5 decades, conflicts in West Asia have repeatedly shaken global oil markets, from the 1973 oil embargo to today's tensions around the Strait of Hormuz. Every crisis has pushed prices higher. Here's a quick look at the major flashpoints that triggered global oil shocks.
For decades, West Asia, the world's oil heartland, has been a flashpoint of conflict. From embargoes to invasions, every crisis has rattled global oil markets and pushed prices soaring. The ripple effects have been felt everywhere. Tonight, we trace the timeline of chaos and its explosive impact on your wallet. The first global oil crisis begins in 1973. Arab oil producers impose an embargo on countries supporting Israel during the Yom Kippur War. Production is slashed by 25% and oil prices quadruple in months, triggering global recession, fuel rationing, and runaway inflation. The Iranian Revolution topples the Shah soon after Iraq invades Iran. Global oil supply plunges by 4 million barrels a day, triggering the second global oil shock. Oil production craters by 4 million barrels a day, prices quadruple from $14 to $39. The full Iran-Iraq war unleashes the tanker war. Over 500 ships sunk in the Gulf, prices swing wildly between $20 and $40 as fear grips markets despite Saudi surges. Saddam Hussein evades Kuwait. Brent crude rockets from $18 to $46, a 160% surge until Saudi output stabilizes the storm. Houthi rebels backed by Iran turn the Red Sea into a war zone after Gaza flares. The US strikes Yemen and global shipping costs surge as oil prices climb again. Prices rise 15% from $70 to $81, hiking shipping costs globally. Israel strikes Iranian targets and the United States briefly joins the conflict. Oil prices spike before easing after a rapid ceasefire. Israel hits Iran hard. US joins briefly, a swift ceasefire follows, Brent spikes from 15% to 81% before cooling. The latest escalation shakes global markets, with tensions threatening the Strait of Hormuz, a route for 1/5 of the world's oil, and prices surge. Brent soars from $73 to over $120, the largest supply shock in history. For countries like India, which imports over 80% of its crude oil, every conflict in West Asia directly hits fuel prices, inflation, and the economy. Bureau Report, DD India.